Welcome back into a new video of the Tech Express, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started and adding a size chart to your Shopify product page. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to understand the size charts. These are essential for online stores, especially for fashion and apparel products. They help customers choose the right size, reducing returns and increasing satisfaction. So we'll walk you through the steps of how you can actually do this process in a very easy way. The very first thing you want to do, of course, is to log into your Shopify store. I have the link down below in the description, guys, so we can all get started totally for free. So you might be having, of course, a huge deal once you have done this process. Now, what I wanted to do is to locate my size chart page. In the theme editor, we can, of course, go here inside the online store. Let's locate, of course, our online store section on the left bar and click into themes. Into themes, we can always focus here and look out for customized. So let's create now the size chart page. In the theme area, we can click on pages, which in this case appears into the upper side. So into pages, we can add a new page. So we can go directly here into pages and create a template for a new page. So I can go here for creating a template here, and let's go and look out for add a page. So we can use this table to make it more readable, so we can save the page once this one has been done. So let's go here into name size chart based on, usually let's go into a default page and go for create a template. Once I have done this process, I wanted to make sure that all the elements are right there. I'm going to delete this stuff because I don't want to see it. Here it is. Here's no footer and no header. So now here what you want to do is to add sections. For example, you can add a custom liquid bar, you can add an actual template directly to the section, rich text, and much more elements. Usually what I do is to do this directly into some collapsible content, for example, the size chart. So into my collapsible content, let's go for a size chart. And in this collapsible row, I'm going to head back. I'm going to go for collapsible row and so on and on. So take your time to, of course, change your size chart and edit it at the moment. This is going to be really easy process. Now, the second way you're going to be doing this is to add a table size chart into each product. So to do this, I'm going to head back into living page. Let's go into online store and let's go into pages instead of themes. Into pages, I want to locate a new page, which in this case here it is, the add page. And into add page, let's go for sizing chart. Into sizing chart, what you want to do is to start adding an actual table. So you're going to insert an actual table. So as you can see, here it is. What you can do even is to help you generate that element. So for example, let's go for size. And I go for insert a row above, and I can add more and more tables as I am customizing my chart. So just make sure that you're clicking your table, and here I go for insert column after, insert column below, and you can see that there's more and more and more columns. So we have the size. I can add a new column and add much more stuff here. So I'm going to go for insert my table, insert a row below. And here, let's go for exactly the same stuff, but let's say that I'm going to go now into inches. And you add the same information here. In my case, I'm going to just leave it as it is. And we have something really easy to showcase now. Now, it's going to be really important to make sure that if I select all of these elements, I can go into generate text. And I go into save. If I hit into save, you might be seeing that your table, your content table, looks really basic, really easy. So you can see that here is my sizing chart. So if I make this a little bit smaller, and here should be appearing now my table. So usually what I do is to add much more information about my template. So let's say, for example, I delete this button, I delete this one and this one as well. So I have a rich page here on my sizing chart, and I can add, for example, just an image to make this look a little bit much more interesting. So for example, I go here into image with text and I put it just below my actual sizing chart. So I make sure that I have selected a specific image for making the sizing chart. For example, let's say one of this, and go for done. And there we go. So lastly, what you just need to do is to hit now into save, view your changes, and then you're actually good to go. This is just a very easy way of how you can add the sizing chart directly into your store. You can add this stuff. You can copy and paste this element and add it into each product template. So make sure that when you added this element of the pages, which in this case here is pages, my sizing chart should be added here into my theme template, and look out for the actual section that says default page or product page when you create an actual template. So with that being said, guys, you have now reached the very end of the video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools and how we can add it and edit the stuff from Shopify. So thank you once again. Hopefully we can all see you next time.